DR Sort 22 Vowel Alterations. This is a review of the 3 different types of vowel alterations going from the base word to the derived word. Generally, that means the shorter word to the longer word, but it's not always true. So we're going to have to listen for if the vowel sound changes from long to short, like in suffice. So you need to leave yourself enough room to put the base word next to the derived word. And in fact, I'm going to put this the long way. So we have suffice to sufficient. Suffice, right here you have the long sound, and it changes into a short sound. Preside went from a long vowel sound into president. President, when you get the schwa sound. President. And then we have metallic. Metallic, short sound, to metal. Metal. You hear the in there. Okay, so that's an example of when the derived word is actually shorter than the base word. All right. So we have wise. So that is a long word, long vowel word. Inspiration. Inspiration. That one's going to be a schwa one. Emphasis is going to be a schwa. Mandate. Mandate. Long. Emphatic. I like that word. Emphatic goes with emphasis. Inspire is long and it goes with inspiration. Democrat is long. Wisdom goes with wise. Decide, I, long. Excel is short. Mandatory goes with mandate. Narrate is long, 8. We'll see, we have silent E's here. Decision goes with decide. Narrative goes with narrate. Democracy with democrat. Habit, short. Excellent with excel. And habitat with habit. It is a good chance in these sorts to make sure that you learn some vocabulary with these words. When we have these words that are derived from each other, they're going to have similar meanings, and their spellings are similar, even though the sound of them might change. Sufficient means you have enough. Suffice is what you say when you have enough. You say, that will suffice. That is sufficient. Democracy is when the whole population gets to be involved, and a Democrat has a couple different meanings, but it's someone who's in support of democracy. I think you know what many of these meanings are, though. Preside and president. The president actually presides over the country, or maybe just their school or their business. Wise and wisdom, you can see how those go together. Oh, and they're actually in the wrong place. Wise and wisdom. Good thing I'm checking that. We have a long vowel into a short vowel. Wisdom and wise. Oh, look, they're all the same. Inspire, inspiration, mandate, mandatory. It means you have to do something. A mandate is like a law. Mandatory meaning you have to do something. It's mandatory to do your sort. Narrate and narrative. Narrate would be the person who's reading it, and they read the narrative. Metallic is a kind of metal. I really like this word. Emphatic which means giving a strong emphasis. So someone could say something in an emphatic way to give it emphasis. You know what these both mean: excellent, excellent, habit, and habitat. This would be somewhere you live, you always go back there, but in a habit is something that you always do.